Hello, today Csilla and I are going to be doing a quick review of this MyChelle brand Dermaceuticals Hydrate is the name of it. It's a deep repair cream, and this is the Kombucha formula that helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Just really quickly before Csilla takes over, I want to tell you we're always looking for good products that are more clean products, and this is one of the products that doesn't have all the parabens, phthalates, and the multiple known bad things. It does have a couple of preservatives in it, so you might want to read the ingredient list fully just to know exactly what you're putting on your face. This is one that we have found that as one of the higher end ones that is better than a lot of the generic stuff that you see out there or the stuff that you see on TV. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and let Csilla take over and tell you a little bit about this product and why she uses it, and she's going to demo it for you.
I use this once in a while, either in the morning or in the evening. I like to switch out my regular face cream with this. I wash my face with water and then just apply this deep repair cream that hydrates me here and there differently than my regular face cream, and I see a difference if I switch my creams up once in a while.
What made you decide to try this particular cream?
Because they had an anti-aging cream, and since I am going to be 46 years old, I thought I would benefit from trying one. I really like their anti-aging creams, and then I tried the hydrating cream because we live in a dry climate, so any kind of extra hydration helps my skin.
Okay, and so how do you use it?
As I just said, I put an oil on my face after I put my hair up, and then after the oil, still with my hands slightly wet, I like to apply a little bit of water with my creams. That's just maybe how my skin is, or maybe that's just how I get more hydration in. I just get an itty bitty.
And you already have an oil on your skin then?
Yes, I just put the oil on my skin, and so now I just get a drop of this. Usually I wet my fingers slightly, and then I put it up, and I feel like if I wet my fingers slightly, then the cream spreads out better. So that's what I do. As I said, not every day, but sometimes in the night, sometimes in the morning as a little change. I also put some on my neck, definitely under the eyes, and if it gets a little dry and hard to spread, I just let my fingers again and use a little water to massage into my skin with the cream. So I just dip my fingertips in water, and this helps to spread it way better and massage it into my skin and into my neck, under my eyes.
Okay, and so that's about how much you apply when you normally use it. And is there anything else for somebody who might be looking at this product that you would want to say to them?
They have lots of different ones. I like the anti-aging and the hydrate ones.
So that's the hydrate one, and then the other one that you had originally tried that you liked was the anti-aging one?
It smells very good. Also, it smells natural, but still has just a slight fragrance to it that makes it really lively and fun to wear.
Anything else to add?
You can't go wrong with trying it out and see if it matches your skin type and if it makes you happy or not.
So that's our review of the MyChelle Hydrate formula. We hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up on this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.